Boondocking does have some benefits when you're out here in an open field like this. You get really cool sunsets sometimes. These clouds are wild. Look at that. Isn't that something? Boondocking does have some benefits when you're out here in an open field like this. You get really cool sunsets sometimes. These clouds are wild. Look at that. Isn't that something? Alright, we've left Spirit Lake, Idaho. We're on I-90 going through Montana. We're just a short distance from Kellogg, and traffic so far has been fine. There's been a little bit of wind, but nothing to worry about. So we're on our way, and it's a drizzly, chilly day today. Made it to St Regis, Montana. It's been recommended by our boondocker to stop here and go into the gift shop.
Ice cream, fudge, and espresso.
Ice cream, fudge, and espresso. All right. Let's go in and see what it's all about. Yep, your typical gift shop and souvenir place. T-shirts, sweatshirts galore, and of course all your shot glasses and coffee mugs. Been here, done this before in other gift shops. One interesting thing they do have here is a big trout display here, aquarium. Oh, more sweatshirts. They also have all the games you could ever want. Got us an RV convoy. Look at that. 5 of us in a row. We've made it to Indian Creek Campground here in Deer Lodge, Montana. The wind is blowing. It has been for about 100 miles. This will be a good test for this Hero 8 Black and the microphone and wind.